Joel's full of stories tonight. What is that you got? Are you going to read a magazine? Yeah? You put your book there? Yeah. Oh, you got both now. Which one are you going to read? Which one are you going to read? Put the magazine back? There. Uh-oh. Oh. Yeah. Did it fall down? Oh. That's okay. That's okay. Oh, leave that there, babe. What are you doing? That's heavy. Here. Oh. Did that hurt your toe? Yeah, it's heavy. Say oops. Joel, can you say elephant? Say elephant. Joe. Ta. Thank you. Thank you. Can you wave bye-bye to Mommy? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.